Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crash Designs. I've just got a quick demolding. I didn't even do a video on this one. It's just more of the silicone inserts. So, just more experimenting. Alright. Broke loose the mold from all the way around. This one has an open center, so it will cause a little bit more difficulty. I can't even get my fingernails in there. There we go. Okay. So this one is just going to be like these others. They're still not finished. The edges still have to be filed down, but those nice clear inserts. Starfish, seashells. Okay, this one has gears. Alright, so flipping it over. This one is really thin, where the resin runs under the back. And then you get it on your finger and you can't get it off. So there's just one of them. Right there. I don't know how well these are going to stand out. Okay. Now on these, I'm gonna do these really pretty. It's a cork backer, for lack of a better word, but it's fabric on the back. It's a woven kind of fabric on the back. But anyway, it'll put these nice little gold flecks. Okay. So these, still not sure about, but maybe a, I don't know, a dark glittery, I'm not sure. Alright. Now this one will be a little bit difficult. Although the resin is relatively thin, the gear itself, yeah, has a rather difficult design if I don't scratch the back of it up. There we go. Okay. Okay, sorry. Not sure how well you can see. Not sure how well that helps. Maybe this. No, not so much. Okay, this doesn't help much either. One of the things I'm always amazed by is as YouTubers, we never seem to have something black to put behind something close around us. I don't know how that happens. I never work with white. I almost always work with black. But I don't ever have any of it for sure. Alright, so I really like this one. It doesn't necessarily show up too well, but I'll find the perfect background for it, I hope. Alright? Alright. Sorry I say that so much, y'all. It's just a Texas thing, sorry. Bye for now.